Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. I hope this records. There are two items. One will be for the channel members. This is very heavy. So let's open it up. Just came about an hour ago. I didn't realize it was out there. Mama Cat came in to eat. She ate about half her food. Tiny one got fed. A new item for Kathy is here. You will see that on Wednesday when the grouchy one comes over. I call her up. What do you want? Well, your other item was mailed Saturday. What's bothering me? Grouchy, grouchy, grouchy. Listening to music. And so she'll be with me Wednesday. We're going to the doctor together, my doctor. So, but you'll see a new item. I think it's funnier than I showed it to the post office ladies. They didn't get it, but I think it's funny. Kathy likes it. All right. And it fits our lifestyle. So, okay. Now, this is very heavy because I believe it's made out of glass. Be very careful with this because I don't want to break it. I'm not sure what kind of batteries it takes or if it has batteries. Well, there's nothing in the box by way of a power brick, USB. Take this off. Take this off. It came really fast. I had one of these a long time ago. And here's the instructions. Minimalist as usual. And what this thing it does, it talks at you. Now. Oh, great. Well, it's not going to be too much talking until I go to Walmart or something because it requires the one battery I don't have. I have C's, I have AA's, AAA's, but this requires, stupidly, they didn't ask for a watch battery, which made sense. It requires a 9-volt battery. I haven't gotten a 9-volt battery in probably 30 years since Radio Shack used to give them out for free every month. But anyway, this is the talking scale that won't talk. So, and it has scale functions, it has time and mode and weight specification, holds 550 pounds. And record your weight, repeat steps 1 or 2, press button F to select user 1 or 2, stand on scale steadily, your weight will display, then read out loud twice, weight data will be saved in chronological order. Each user can save their weight up to 30 times. Hey, if I lose weight, I can save the weight on the scale. You save weight record, press mode button E, press button F to select user 1 or 2, and so on and so forth. And OL means scale is overloaded. LO means low battery. Clean surface of the cloth, never use solvents. This is from IdeaWorks, who are too cheap to give you a battery. So here's the 9-volt compartment and some kind of sticker on here. So I can't show you to you until your 9-volt battery, which will be when I go to Walmart or Ace Hardware. I don't even know who sells a 9-volt battery. I know Walmart probably does. But this is the scale. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Channel numbers 1,521,723. Went up 1,000 views. Tiny one got fed. Got the item from Kathy at the post office because I didn't remove the post office box, the shipping address. That has now been removed on Etsy and eBay. Another item is coming from eBay. and 20,069 subscribers. So it's very hot. It's going to be, it's 85 outside. It's going to be 89 here, and it's 80 in my living room. All right. Hope you're staying cool, staying dry, staying hydrated. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content not on the regular channel, which I'm going to do next. Thanks for watching. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been Pittsburgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now.